welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a step-by-step with the big spray guns today. We are going to be doing some 2K direct gloss. I've got some barrels, I'll give you a little pan round. I've got some barrels to do. As you can see, they are all floating from the booth ceiling. We've got to do these in 2K direct gloss. So I thought I'd take you through the process. I will stick the paint mixing ratios up and the gun settings right now. The gun settings. I'm just going to change the gun settings up because these will blow around a bit when you're hitting them with 2 bar. I'm going to do 3 coats on these because there's some breakthroughs, some very light breakthroughs. So I'm going to go with like a dust coat first, like a light coat first all round, let that flash right off, then I'm going with 2 wet coats after. So I'm dropping the pressure down to like a base coat pressure of around 22 psi. I will stick it on the cap cam and we'll paint some barrels. I shall see you in a minute. First coat down. A little bit tricky because you're trying to get the bottoms of these done as well, and it's a bit of a nightmare because we all know when you tilt the spray gun back it just won't pick up out of the pot. So I'm having to try and hold the can, tilt the can with one arm. That's why I'm covering myself in masking tape and paper towel so I don't get overspray on myself. Paint the bottoms first, just do 1 full wet coat, do the top and then go round the outside. Best way I found these, that's the 2nd coat on this one, so that's gone down really nice. Best way to do these is pick the seam, start from a seam and go all the way around and finish at a seam, and then you'll know where you've sort of been. So I'll stick you on the cap cam, I'll show you a couple of coats of the 2nd coat on these ones and we'll be done. See you in a bit. all done. We've got the 2 coats down. I didn't go too much with the camera because you're just getting overspray over the cam, but we've got them down. All nice finish on these, as you can see. Immaculate finish on these drums, all matching. Really nice gloss levels on there, all the way along. So that's the 2K direct gloss application. I'd suggest, just get out a bit of that light, I'd suggest going with like not a sort of tack coat, not a full close coat, just go a nice tack coat. I thin this down with 2 to 1, 2 parts paint, 1 part hardener. Then I put 30% thinners in this because it's real thick, so I thinned it right down. Dropped the first coat on sort of light, not sort of full coverage, and then gave it a good wet coat and then another wet coat. Give it plenty of time to flash off. Just check your flash off time like masking tape. If you touch a piece on the top, say like here, and you feel it sticky, like tacky, like masking tape, you're good to go for your next coat. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the application of 2K direct gloss, and I will see you in the next one, which will be back in the studio for a bit of airbrushing. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.